No need to beat around the bush. In the next minutes, I'm going to show you the exact strategies that transformed my LinkedIn from a digital resume no one read into a recruiter magnet. These aren't the basics like add a profile picture. These are actual hacks that exploit how the algorithm works. We'll cover profile optimization that gets you found, content strategies that build authority, networking tactics that open doors, and the exact messages that get responses. Quick context. I'm taking help from AI. Your results will vary based on your industry, experience level, and effort, but these strategies work across industries. Also, it's about understanding how LinkedIn works and using it strategically. If you subscribe my channel, let's get started to optimize your LinkedIn. Hack 1, the headline formula. Your headline is the most important part of your profile. It appears in every search result, every connection request, every comment you make, and most of people waste it. That's the examples of what most people do wrong. Why these fail? Too generic. Thousands have same headline. Doesn't show value. Doesn't trigger algorithm keywords. Doesn't make recruiter want to click. Instead of doing this here, what you should do it. This can work better because 1. Full stack engineer is searchable job title. 2. 1M plus users means quantified impact. 3. React, Node.js, AWS is keyword goldmine. Recruiters search these. 4. X Google could be credibility signal. The keyword strategy. Recruiters search LinkedIn using specific keywords, job titles, product manager, software engineer, skills, Python, SEO, Salesforce, certifications, PMP, AWS certified, CPA. Your headline must include keywords recruiters search. How to find your keywords. Look at 10 job postings for roles you want. Note repeated keywords and skills. Include top 5-7 in your headline. Example, if every data scientist job mentions Python, machine learning, SQL, your headline, data scientist ML models that increased revenue 25%, Python, SQL, TensorFlow. The character limit. LinkedIn gives you 220 characters. Try to use most of them and pack with keywords. Hack 2. Your About section is a sales pitch, not a bio. Most people treat the About section like a boring biography. Wrong. It's a sales pitch for hiring you. What most people write. Wrong. I'm a passionate marketing professional with 5 years of experience. I love helping brands tell their story, and I'm looking for my next opportunity where I can make an impact. Why this fails? Generic buzzwords, passionate, make an impact, no specific results. Doesn't answer. Why should I hire you? Here's how you can write the winning structure. Paragraph 1, hook, results focused. Start with your biggest win or unique value. Paragraph 2, proof, specific achievements, 3 to 5 quantified results. Paragraph 3, expertise, skills, methods, how you achieve results. My approach combines SEO, storytelling, and data analysis. I don't just create content sets that drive measurable business growth. Paragraph 4, call to action. What you want, currently exploring roles at growth stage B2B SaaS companies. If you're looking for someone who can build content engines that drive revenue, let's connect. Hack 3, strategic connections, not just quantity. Most people collect connections randomly. Big mistake. Your network should be intentional. The numbers game. LinkedIn algorithm reality. Under 500 connections, you look inactive junior. 500 1,000. Credible 1,000 to 2,000. Well-networked 2,000 plus. Influencer status. Goal. Get to 500 plus ASAP. Then be strategic. Who to connect with. Priority order. Tier 1. Recruiters. Highest priority. Why? They find jobs for a living. Connect with 100 to 200 recruiters in your industry. How to find them. Tier 2. Hiring managers at target companies. Research companies you want to work for. Connect with VPs of engineering, marketing, sales, your department, directors, senior managers. Tier 3. People at your level, peers, same role, same industry. Why? They refer each other for jobs. They share industry insights. Future hiring managers. Tier 4. Alumni. People from your school equals instant connection. LinkedIn has alumni tool. Alumni help each other. Remember, your current LinkedIn profile is costing you opportunities every single day. Fix it this week. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. If you want second part, comment below. Now go optimize that profile.